Hi, Jason. I hope this video finds you doing well. I'm going to speak quickly and try to be as brief as possible just to communicate a few things to you. Number one is I was met with a client earlier today. I had recreated a website for him, and his current website right now, I'll show it to you. Hopefully, I didn't close that. Give me 1 second. Oh, come on. Okay. This is his current website. And so it's not mobile ready. If you shrink it down, it doesn't look right on a cell phone. It, excuse me, still has pinch and zoom and, excuse me, smaller font and that type of stuff. And it's just that this is the way it's laid out, a lot of space on the side. So he didn't give me much information to go on. I thought I could put something together. Usually clients like most of what I create, so we can always modify stuff. So I created a website like this that looks for them. It's the same, exact same website, same content, same names, post. These are not pages. These are posts, and you'll learn the difference if you haven't already. You'll need to know the difference between a page and a post. But that's just his post going down the side. And here, he doesn't really have a home page. Let me go back to here. There's not a home page. This is the home page, and it goes right to the different posts. And then he's got these other pages here in the navigation menu. And so what I did here is I did a little bit different. I put the navigation menu here, a search bar, same title, and then I just started breaking up the page a little bit to show him how we could add the content, the same content, some of his main topics, and then his actual blog. Because again, if you go back to his page here, these are all his posts, and these are also posts, and they're organized in some way, but not as maybe as clear as they could be, and for everyone. And so when you go back here, what I did is on his blog page is actually the same as his home page. So these are his blog posts going down the side, and then these are his most recent blog posts. And then you can break your blog posts into categories, and then the blog posts are set up by archives if you want to show it that way. You don't have to show these. And again, this just goes down for all the different blog posts that he's created, and then people can scroll through. So the reason why I'm sharing that with you is that I met with him today, and unfortunately for me, it's not that he doesn't like this website. He wants the website to look exactly like this. And so for me, I absolutely I'll do whatever a client wants, that type of stuff. I have not done a website like this. This goes back to 2012. This theme. So what I'm going to have to do is I got to explain to him. Okay, whatever. But so I mean, we can do anything with Beaver Builder and with the other software that we have here on the website. It's just I'm going to be changing. I'm going to leave this site up, the 404, so he's got it as a reference, and then he's got his current site, which is here, and that's his current site. And then I am going to create another site for him using this address, the 435, and it's currently the same website. All I did was make a copy and cloned it over to this address, the 435, instead of the 404, which is here, the 404. So same website basically, just on a different address. It's got the same content. And now I'm going to change this 435 to look like his current website, which is this. So anyway, I wasn't expecting that, but I wanted to let know kind of this is sometimes what happens when you're dealing with a client and what situation is right now. So what I also wanted, so that's just where I'm at. So thank you for listening, watching. Hopefully a little bit of a learning experience because you may encounter a similar situation. Here on your page, let me get here quickly. Okay, no, Jason. Had you open a second ago. Oh, come on. Let me go ahead and type this in. Jason Algra. Okay, so your website's here. You've hopefully already logged in, and if you click here, your dashboard shows up. Or I could have clicked on the word dashboard. I showed you before about adding templates, a page template, and then there's also a possibility to add row templates, and then there's also complete website template. So you may have already seen this. You may have clicked on it, maybe not yet, but if you go ahead and click Explore Templates, and then you can do artificial intelligence, and it is amazing what this does. But Don't do it now at this time. But there's, I think, 200 some classic starter websites. So we're going to go ahead and build a website. You'll see here in a second. And then it asks you, if you want to know what kind of website you're looking for, but it breaks it down by businesses, types of businesses, local businesses. You can read for yourself. I won't read these to you. And then again, if you're going to do a blog, you can let's just see what they look like. So here, let's do premium, full popular. It's fine. Give me 1 second. Should be sorted. So these are what, 6 or 8, I guess 9, 10, whatever it is. Full websites that are built out. So they have the pages already connected. The content is not there, but all you would end up doing is editing the content, and then the pages are all set to go. So with that being said, this may help you as you decide on how you're gonna, and just because it says electrician, you can change every aspect of it. You may just I'm gonna click on this electrician one, an option for electrician. But if I wanted to make this Jason Algra, but I like all the colors, I like the way this looks, I could just download this, but then I'd be changing every single aspect of it, like the name, the titles, those type of things. Won't take you that long. It's just that it's a little bit different. Whereas if you had your own blogging site, or if you have a small business, or if you have clients who want you to build a website for them. So anyway, this is all here for you. And again, play around. Excuse me. Thank you. And we will eventually connect soon. Hopefully this information is helpful for you, because you hopefully can learn a lot, and we'll talk more about it soon. Thanks again. Take care.